Hello friends, in my previous video I showed you how to use this Ambilwarna Color Picker dialog in Sketchware. So in this video I will show you how to use this color picker as a setting for setting the text color and background color of an edit text field. So first you have to download the library. Here you have to go to local library and then using this block click on D8 or DX and enter the path to this dependency, and then you can download it. When you click on start, it will automatically download it, and after downloading just select the library. So here I have selected this Ambilwarna Color Picker library. Now after this, in main activity I have a button called settings button, and I have an edit text field for which I will be setting the text color and background color, and ID of this edit text is edit text 1. Okay, in components I have added a shared preferences component called s_pref and intent component. In onCreate there is nothing. In onStart event, here I have to get the data from the shared preferences component. So there is this block called shared preferences get data key. Okay, I will just create a string variable d and set this string variable to this shared preferences get data key and write something like text color. So now you can see the code for this. Okay, spref.get string text color, and when there is no string, then it will, when there is no value for text string, then text color, then it will return this empty string. Okay, so we have to just copy this code, and instead of get string we will use get int. So just copy the code and then you can use it here. So here I have used spref.getInt text color comma color.black. So if there is some value of text color, that will be set as this int variable text color. Otherwise this int variable text color will be set as color.black, and then we use this code edit text1 dot set text color. So this will be set to black initially if text color is empty. And I have similar code for getting the background color. I use s_pref.getInt bg color. So here this key is bg color, and if there is no value for this bg color, then it will set color.transparent as this int variable called bg color, and then I set the background color of edit text1 to this bg color. So this is in on start activity. Now we move to this button one click. In this event we use intent to move to settings activity. In the settings activity I have this button text color and a button for bg color and a linear underscore text color for displaying the text color and linear underscore bg color for displaying the bg color, and I have button save and button reset. In components I have added the same shared preferences component s_pref. It should be same in both the activities. In events, in onCreate event, I get the text color from shared preferences using the same code spref.getInt text color color.black. So here I have not put int before this because I have to use it again. So that's why I have declared it here. Okay, here I have an extra block or a more block which I have closed it using this curly bracket, and I have compensated it with another curly bracket, and then I have declared an int variable called text color and an int variable called bg color. So these two I have declared here and set their value to 0. Okay, but their value will never be 0 because in onCreate we set the value for text color to the value from shared preferences, the value of text color in shared preferences, and if it is not there, then it will set the value to color.black. Similarly for and we use this text color to set the background of linear text color. Okay, similarly for bg color, we set bg color to spref.getInt bg color, and if there is no bg color, then it will be color.transparent, and then we use this bg color to set the background color of linear underscore bg color. Okay, so this will display the initial colors or saved colors in this linear text color and linear bg color. Next event will be when this text color is clicked and when bg color is clicked. So here we have to display the color picker dialog. So when text color is clicked, then we will define an Ambilwarna dialog called dialog 1 as new Ambilwarna dialog. In settings activity, you can change the name of the activity, settings activity dot this comma text color. So here this text color is the text color which we received in onCreate. Okay, here we had set the text color to the text color saved in shared preferences. So in Ambilwarna dialog, this is the initial color. So we set the initial color to text color, and then we add a listener, new Ambilwarna dialog dot on Ambilwarna listener. Inside this there is on OK method, in which we get the color selected by the user, and we have on cancel method in which we do nothing. So here int color is the color which we received or which the user selected. So we save it in shared preferences by using this s_pref.edit.putInt. This is the key text color, comma color. This is the color which we are saving. It is same as this one, dot commit. And then in linear text color, we set the background color to this color. Okay, and in the end, dialog1 dot show. The code for setting the color of background of edit text is similar. So when this bg color button is clicked, then we define a dialog called dialog2 with the initial color set to bg color, which is defined in onCreate, and in onOK method we save this color in shared preferences using the key bg color, and then we set the background of linear underscore bg color to this color which the user has selected. Okay, and in the end this dialog2 dot show. So this is when the bg color is clicked. When the save button is clicked, we just finish this activity because we have already saved the color in shared preferences. And when the user moves back to main activity, here this on start event will be executed, and it will automatically set the color of edit text and its background to the selected colors or saved colors. And when the reset button is clicked, here is the reset button. In this case, we save the black color in shared preferences as text color, and we set the background color to color.black. Okay, and we save the color.transparent as bg color in shared preferences, plus we set the background of linear underscore bg color to color.transparent. So that's all in coding part. Now let's check this. So here is the app. Now let me write something. Here is some text which I have written. Now when I go to settings, you will see the text color is black and background color is empty because it is transparent. So I can select some other text color. Let's select red color and some other background color. Okay, we'll set something closer to white. So this is the background color now, and this is the text color, and when we click on save, it will just finish this activity, and here you can see the background color and text color. Okay, and it will remain same whatever you write. And when you again go back to settings, here when you click on this text color, you can see that it has already selected red here, and when we click on select background color, it is already selected this blue color, and we can change it here. Okay, and click on save, so it will go back and display this. And when we click on reset, it will set it back to black text color and transparent background color. And when we click on save, here you can see this black text and transparent background. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.